Good morning, boys and girls. I am teacher Esmond Thomas. Can you remember the song that Miss Estella made? Yes, that's correct. It's ah. So when you're saying the sound ah, you have to open your mouth, right? Like ah. Good. Can you tell me which letter is this? Jamal? Very good. Nisa? Great job. Alia? Yes, it's the first letter in the alphabet. And this letter has a special sound. Can anybody tell me the sound of this letter? Yes, very good. It's the letter A and it makes a sound ah. Remember that ah is the short sound, right? For this letter. This letter is very special because it's a vowel. Now, look at these pictures. Can you tell me the name of this picture? Yes, it's an ant. And let's say the sound slowly. Ant. Very good, class. Look at this other one. Wow, yes, it's green. It's green, yes. Of course it's green. But what is the name of that? Very good. It's an alligator. Good job. Look at this other picture. Can you tell me what picture is that or what is being observed in the picture? Very good. It's an apple. Let's say apple. Great job. Now, the last picture doesn't have a name. Can you tell me the name of that picture? Yes, it's an axe. Let's say axe. Very good. Great job. Give yourself a round of applause. So, boys and girls, let's look at the sentence and you will identify the words that has or begins with the short A vowel sound. Let's read together. Brother wants to become an astronaut when he grows up. Let's read one more time. Brother wants to become an astronaut when he grows up. German. What are some words that begins with the A sound? Yes, very good. First one is an. Great job. Now, Orlando. Can you identify another word that begins with A? Yes, it's astronaut. Great job. Very good. So, boys and girls, let's look at another sentence. You will identify the words that begins with the A sound. Let's read. You have to listen carefully, okay? Mary and I saw an alligator at the zoo. Now let's read together as a class. Mary and I saw an alligator at the zoo. Great. Stephanie, can you identify one word that begins with the sound A? Yes. We have at. Good. Great job. Cironi, can you identify a word that begins with the sound A? Yes. We have an. Chavi. Can you identify a word that begins with a sound? Yes, great job. We have and. Is there any more word that you can identify with the a sound? Yes, very good. It's alligator. Great job. Yay, you did well.